In 2025, being online isn't enough. You need to stand out. Your digital presence is the foundation of your success. But how do you transform from just existing online to making a real impact? Let's break it down. First, why does your digital presence matter? Your audience is searching for connection, authenticity, and value. If they can't find you, they can't trust you. Consistency builds relationships and engagement drives loyalty. Your digital presence is the first handshake, the ongoing conversation, and the lasting impression. Let's make it count. Step 1, define your digital identity. Who are you online? Clarify your mission. Understand your audience's challenges and dreams. Establish your tone. Your digital identity evolves, but it starts with clarity. Step 2, harness the power of AI. It's not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Automate repetitive tasks, personalize experiences, and stay informed with AI-driven insights. Don't let AI do the work for you, let it work with you. Step 3, turn social media into your superpower. It's where conversations happen. Master the nuances of each platform. Engage meaningfully with real-time interactions. Use paid social strategically to connect with the right audience. Think of social media as a bridge, not just a broadcast platform. Step 4, create content that resonates. Content is your kingdom. Solve your audience's problems. Mix it up with videos, blogs, and infographics. Keep it authentic. Your audience can spot a pitch from a mile away. Step 5, build a consistent content strategy. Consistency is your secret weapon. Plan ahead with a content calendar. Repurpose content smartly. Stay adaptable to changing trends. Step 6, use tools that simplify your life. Scheduling tools like Hootsuite keep you consistent. Canva makes designing graphics easy. Google Analytics helps you understand what works. Efficiency is key, work smarter, not harder. Step 7, focus on community building. Your digital community is an ecosystem. Engage authentically, foster user-generated content, and create inclusive spaces. A strong community is your greatest digital asset. Stay curious. The digital landscape rewards exploration. Growth doesn't happen by accident. It happens when you align your vision with the right strategies. The digital world is waiting for you to shine. Want to discover your biggest opportunities? Let's talk.